Mr. Raymond, you've been called the king of the keyhole shows.
I like to think of myself as the king of the glamour shows.
It is such a good night to kiss. It is such a good
Bravo! To the future.
It is such a good night to Scooby-Doo.
Would you say everything you touch turns to gold?
Not everything, but enough.
Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo.
My name's Paul Raymond. Welcome to my world of erotica. Please do come along. You shan't be disappointed.
This is an opportunity for us to rewrite the cultural history.
It's not Germany, so we'll just...
Mr. Raymond, would you say your work is degrading to women?
No.
Was she nice?
She was just a girl.
Mr. Raymond, I'm here for the auditions. He's got children!
One day you'll run the business. Be a respectable businesswoman.
Can't think of too many other people who have the relationship that we have.
She's gonna do this. Get the good stuff.
Would you describe him as a good father?
He's my best friend, really. I just want a normal life.
Normal life is for normal people.
Wait until I tell Debbie what her dad's really like.
Don't you dare turn Debbie against me. All hail the king! Champagne for everyone. House champagne. Think of one person who you can say has never had a wank.
Mother Teresa.
All right, name me another person.
Gandhi.
Come on.